Hello, my fellow food lovers. Tired of those pesky diets always getting in the way of a good time? Do you dream of cookies instead of carrots and crave chips more than a six-pack? Well, fret no more. This is your one-stop shop for staying delightfully, wonderfully round. Forget the kale smoothies and the quinoa salads. This is not your average run-of-the-mill health article. This, my friends, is a celebration of all things deliciously unhealthy, a love letter to the art of staying pleasantly plump. We'll be diving deep into the wonderfully wacky world of weight maintenance, exploring the do's and don'ts, mostly don'ts, let's be honest, of staying perfectly, gloriously chubby. So, buckle up, grab a biscuit or two, and let's embark on this hilarious journey together. Remember, in a world obsessed with six-pack abs and thigh gaps, dare to be a glorious muffin top. Let's get started, shall we? Oh, the pitfalls of trying to lose weight. It's a comedy of errors out there, folks. Take, for instance, the classic gym fail. We've all seen it, haven't we? The poor soul, red-faced and sweating, struggling with the treadmill like it's a bucking bronco. And let's not forget the diet disasters. Swapping that juicy burger for a sad salad, only to find yourself face down in a tub of ice cream at midnight. We've all been there, my friend. It's okay, we understand. Let's be honest, the struggle is real and it's hilarious. The key is to own it, to laugh at our shared humanness and love of all things delicious. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being perfectly content with a little extra padding. So the next time you find yourself reaching for the cookie dough instead of the celery sticks, don't beat yourself up about it. Embrace it, laugh it off. After all, life is too short to be anything but delightfully, wonderfully you. Let's talk breakfast, shall we? The most important meal of the day? Poppycock, I say. Skipping breakfast is practically a rite of passage for the weight loss challenged. Think of it as intermittent fasting, darling, but without all the fancy terminology. And while we're at it, let's debunk another myth. Emotional eating. Feeling stressed? Heartbreak got you down? Don't reach for that self-help book, darling. Reach for the chocolate. Ice cream is cheaper than therapy, and just as effective, at least in the short term. Remember, deprivation is the enemy. Restricting yourself will only lead to late-night fridge raids and enough hidden snacks to make a squirrel jealous. So go ahead, have that extra slice of cake. Life's too short to be a slave to the scale. Live a little, indulge a lot, and remember, a moment on the lips, a lifetime on the hips. The chub rub struggle is real and hilarious. Now let's talk about the joys of chub rub. Ah yes, that delightful chafing that occurs when your thighs decide to have a little party and your clothes are not invited. It's a tale as old as time, a song as old as rhyme. But fear not, my fellow rubbers, there are solutions. Baby powder, check. Anti-chafing balm, double check. Embrace the power of spandex shorts, triple check. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, and when it comes to the chub rub struggle, a little humour goes a long way. So the next time you're feeling the burn, just remember you're not alone. We're all in this together, one hilarious thigh rub at a time. Embrace the Chub, a light-hearted guide to staying delightfully round. So there you have it, folks, your guide to not losing weight. Remember, life is too short to be a slave to the scale. Embrace the Chub, indulge in the good stuff, and laugh your way to a life filled with deliciousness. Avoid those pesky gyms, skip breakfast like a champ, and remember, emotional eating is just self-care with extra calories. So go forth, my friends, and live your best, most delightfully round life. And remember, as the great Julia Child once said, a party without cake is just a meeting. Stay chubby, my friends.